guys, today is 31st day of English Improvement Challenge and now we are going back to our PG. What we have done I don't know, but we ate some samosas, some bread pakoras and golgappas and some sweets also, in which there is laddu and some kalakand and some more things. Okay, will you guys explain why we came to Sri Ram Dhaba to just these golgappas?
Yes, because
So-
he's not feeling good today.
Feeling well, because he is not feeling well, so we decided to eat golgappas. Then we decided to eat in Sri Ram Dhaba, which is actually 3-4 kilometers away. For that we have to book a auto. Then we booked the auto and went there, and now we are returning. And when we reached there, we thought that we could have something else also, right, Animesh?
Yeah.
So Animesh told me that there are good, what are these, bread pakoras. Then we also will like add let's order some sweets also. Then we came to this smart bazaar, and because of some inconvenience there, we have to return to our PG.
Because
No, don't tell them, because I will be uploading this on the video on the YouTube now. So don't tell him. So yeah,
Tell them.
No, don't tell them. So yeah, this is British brother came in between us. So this is a red light here. So how much long? It's 130 long videos. I have planned to make this around 3 minutes, and I do this between 7 to 8. That's why I'm recording this, because this is 7:47, right? So that's why, guys, on behalf of me and my friends, I would like to tell you that enjoy in your life. Don't take extra load, because enjoy your life. Enjoy your life, because your parents have given a lot of things to you. They have grown you for now, and now you have to enjoy. Don't have to think much about the things going in your life, because this is temporary. Everything in your life is temporary. Nothing is permanent. If you are happy today, that is temporary. If you are sad today, that is temporary.
That's
So
why
meaning-
we always said, because
Yeah.
happiness is temporary and
yeah.
sadness is forever.
Because if we are happy today, then tomorrow we will be sad. That's why we were sad.
Yeah.
That we don't want to change the mood, because that is of girls. That mood swings are girls' work, not us. Right. So guys, be sad or be happy, but be one way. Only go in one way. Either be sad or be happy. So
None
but
in between.
we keep ourselves sad, because we don't want to overhype the happiness in our life. We don't want the excitement of happiness
You can see in his face.
in his face, on
Yeah.
his face.
Yeah.
He is not happy, he is
Yeah.
not sad, but he is neutral. So,
Ah,
so the right way to
He
live
is
you.
Napunchak.
No.